In this video, we're going to discuss how to take a 4-byte wing series using a Carina intoral sensor in Dentrix Ascend. First, open your browser and log in to Dentrix Ascend. Select the patient, then navigate to Imaging. Go to the drop-down next to the Imaging tab and select Acquire Images. Next, select the 4-byte wing imaging procedure and make sure the Carina sensor is selected. Then select Proceed with Acquisition. Once the sensor is ready, you can begin capturing the images. Once completed, a new window will appear where you can view the images, allowing you to select the image you want to view. And that's how you capture a 4-byte wing series using a Carina sensor in Dentrix Ascend. Discover the Carina difference today.